Hi friends, I'm Zia Maliki and I welcome you all to my channel Information Technology. I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the virtual RAM of your computer. So stay tuned for this awesome tutorial. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's a computer's short-term memory. None of our programs, files, or even this YouTube tutorial you are watching right now would not work without RAM. It's a short-term data storage which stores information that our computer is actively using, so it can be accessed quickly. The more programs our computer is running, the more memory or RAM we will need. It's so crucial in speeding up our system. It's also the fastest medium of storage in our system compared to, say, hard disk. So that we know a little bit about RAM, let's learn how we can increase the virtual memory or RAM of our system. Before diving into the practical part, let me explain how the virtual memory actually works. Virtual memory is basically a little memory file that works as random access memory if your RAM is not enough. Virtual memory combines your computer's random access memory with temporary space on your hard disk. When RAM memory runs low, virtual memory moves data from RAM memory to a space called a paging file. Moving data to and from the paging file frees up RAM memory to complete its work. This is usually set by the system itself. And if you want to increase the virtual RAM and make sure you always have space available for the swap files, then we can do that as well. It is called paging files. So let's do it practically. For that, right-click on this PC and go to Properties. This window will pop up. As you can see, my laptop has 8 GB of RAM and 7.88 GB of which is being used right now or is usable. Now click on the Advanced System Settings. On the Advanced System Settings, and under the Performance section, click on the Settings button. From this window, we will go to Advanced. By the way, in here you can turn off some of the fancy animations to increase the performance of your computer if you would like to do. Now, under this virtual memory, we are going to click on this button. In here, we can see this box is checked. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Just uncheck that. Now select custom size. 1024 MB equals to 1 GB. Let's bring the calculator application. So this is 1 gig. Since I have 8 GB of RAM, I want to double it. So I'm going to multiply it by 16. And it equals to 16,384 MBs. And we can write that number in here. That's 16,394 MB. copy and paste it in the next box. So it will always be the same size. Now click on Set and press OK. This message will pop up saying that the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. We will press OK. Once the computer restarts, then we will check whether it has changed or not. So the computer has just restarted. Now let's check if the changes have taken place or not. For that, let's press the Windows key and write MS Info. And here is our system information. In here I can see how much RAM I have, and under that we have total virtual memory. As you can see, the paging file space is now 16 GB, and that's how we can change the virtual memory of our computers. Now, is this approach as effective as actually putting in more physical memory in your computer? Not really. If you put more physical memory in your computer, that would really give your computer a great boost in the performance. So I always recommend that. But if you do not have the budget right now to increase the physical memory, then you can take this alternative approach. And this will boost your computer's performance by 10 to 30%. And it doesn't matter whether you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows Vista. It almost works the same in all of them. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And if you have a problem that you want me to solve, leave me a comment below and I will do my best to answer them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. This is Zia Maliki signing off.